What's your name? What's your name? Say it loud. What is your
I'm not full because I drank it on my bed, see? And that spicy stuff made me bug, and I'm still not. I'm full, but that stuff made me bug.
He had a Pepsi.
I mean, okay.
Is that the last thing you had?
Yeah.
Will you get him a cup of water?
Wait,
No, stay there.
wait.
Nope. So tell me, what position do you want to play? What position do you want to? Have you been drinking?
Henry, can you do the SpongeBob SquarePants dance?
No, sit up here. I want you to talk to me. I'm your Aunt Megan.
Henry, do you want to try to do it?
Mom wants me to show you the silly SpongeBob dance. I can really do it like.
Okay, do it. What is it?
Yeah, it makes me young.
Come here. Come here, do it. Do it.
First he does this, and then he goes like that, and then he goes.
I'm so glad I got that on camera.
Come on, turn it on. Turn that commercial on.
We can't just pull that up, Henry.
Do it,
I
Dad.
don't think we have it. recorded.
Henry, it just has to come on.
Henry,
Commercials
come over
just
here
have to
and
come
sign off on the camera. Come here.
It just has to come on.
Daddy,
on. We'll see it tomorrow.
Oh, I don't think we.
Come here, Henry. Come here. Come here. Come here. This guy's a little. I think we got a little actor in the family.
I want me to do that.
I want you to do it.